Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to add music or even a voiceover to your Canva design. This is great if you're making a video, presentation, or social media post and want it to sound more engaging. First, open Canva on your computer and go into the project you're working on. If you're creating a video or presentation, you'll see a timeline bar at the bottom. That's where your audio will go. On the left-hand menu, click Elements, then scroll down and find Audio. You can also type music in the search bar. Canva has a huge library of tracks, some free and some pro. Just click on a song to preview it, and if you like it, drag it straight into your design. It will appear in the timeline, and you can trim or adjust it by clicking and dragging. Now, for a voiceover, you can record directly in Canva. Just click Uploads on the left, then go to the Record Yourself option. A small recorder window will pop up where you can speak and capture your voice. Once you finish, it saves automatically into your uploads, and you can drag it onto the timeline, just like music. You can also upload an external voiceover file if you've recorded it somewhere else. Just drag and drop the file into Canva, then place it exactly where you want on the timeline. When everything sounds right, click play at the top to preview your video with audio. Finally, hit share, then download and choose MP4 to export your video with music or voiceover included. And that's it. You've successfully added sound to your Canva project.